Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and how are you? Today I welcome you part 2 of lecture 8 on the lecture series of symbolic math toolbox in MATLAB. In the last lecture we solved first order and second order differential equation with initial conditions and without initial condition. So today we are going to solve the system of equation if we have more than one differential equations. And so just like I show you in the slide, so we try to solve the system of differential equation in this lecture. So let's start and open our screen of MATLAB. CLC, clear all. Okay, so again procedure was same and very easy. I try to solve the first order and second order differential equation with 3 different methods. Okay, first of all, first method was I need to define the variables s and s z of t, because we have now two variables, sorry, z of t and y of t. Okay, after defining both variable, we need to define the differential equation. For the differential equation, let's suppose this equation is equal to now we have two differential equations, DIFF y comma t, that double equals to, let's suppose that is equal to z, and second was DIFF z comma t, and that is equal to minus y, sorry, y. Now just press enter. Okay, what is the difference? Equation is equal to, double equals to, now it's okay. CLC, and what we need to do, just S is equal to, after defining these equation, simple D solve and write the equation EQ. It's the equation, we have two variables z and y. If you want to see the result of what is in the z and what is in the z, just need to write s comma z and find the result of. And if you want to see the result of y, then simply you write s comma z, you will find the result. Same thing you can do if we assign two variables instead of one. Let's suppose as simply x comma SOL1 solution 1, SOL2, and then press this, so you will find the solution, both solution 1 and solution 2. So that is this is the first method. And if you same thing, if you want to do with second method, only you need to write the equation. Let's suppose I simply write solution 1 1 1 to the let's say 1 1, okay, and solution 2 2 means, okay, D SOL V solve, sorry, D was small, and now simply write the equation. capital D y for the derivative of y, that is equal to z comma equation 1 comma equation 2 dz, that is equal to minus y, and simply press the enter key. That is very simple method. You can easily find the solution of differential system of differential equation, solution 1 and solution 2. Both solutions were same. If you compare the both solution, that is the first solution, that was the method I used, and now the second solution. Both methods are very easy to implement in the MATLAB. Okay, so this is now if you want to assign the initial condition, you need to simply define the initial condition. Let's suppose same equation. I'll take same equation, and now define the initial condition. First, y of 0, that is equal to let's suppose 2, and comma z of 0, that is equal to let's suppose -1, and comma, and just simply press the enter. You will find the solution. And now you can easily plot them. Easy plot solution 1. Okay, just to show you. 2, and we find this second plot, the solution of second plot. Okay, that is for the first order with the initial condition and without initial condition. Now if you want to take the solution of the second order differential equation, you need to just define the second order differential equation like equation comma 2, the first method, and let's suppose that is I simply write second derivative, and the second derivative of this equation remains same, and press simply enter key, and SOL solution. One and solution 2, I simply press enter key and find the solution of these both equations. Okay, if you have second derivative plus first derivative, simply DIFF, let's suppose y comma t and 1, and here we have a first derivative DIFF and z comma t comma 1, either we can multiply with the 2, and after define this equation, simply press the enter. Sorry, yeah, I think we don't need to connect square. Number of equation sheet. Oh. Simple, solve the equation and find the solution. And if you want to do with different seconds. D2y, solution simply write D2y is equal plus D capital D y and dz. You will find the solution easily. Second derivative of y is double equal to z plus z of t plus dy over dt, and this is dy over dt that is equal to minus y and this, and that is very simple method. You can easily define your differential equation using this method. This method is easier compared to the first method. And now if you want to find this initial condition and you will need to plot, just need to initialize your initial condition. Let's suppose now it is the second order differential equation. So for the second order differential equation, y of 0, that is equal, let's suppose, equal to 2 comma dy of 0 simple, that is also equal to, let's suppose, minus 1 comma simply copy and paste and make it y small g, and that's it. Simply press the enter key and find the solution. If you want to plot, easy plot, double 2 will find the solution of second order differential equation. And if you want to plot the first one, double 1, so this is very easy method to calculate solve the differential system of differential equation using both methods. So, hope you like this video and kindly share, like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.